What's up, everyone? It's the final day of Sema. It's Friday over here. The show is only going from 9 to 3 today, and then we're pulling the cars out and going to Sema Ignited. I've been talking to a couple people, and they're saying it's going to take forever to get this car out, so I don't know if I'm even going to get a seat at Sema Ignited. It starts right at 3, and we have to pull out at 3, and it's some kind of huge parade where the police escort us out. But hopefully we can get out of here in time to make it for Sema Ignited, because they've been adding more and more to the show every year, apparently. I talked to somebody from Rohana. He said he went to the first one 2 or 3 years ago, and there wasn't really much in there. But now they've been doing drift competitions, motorcycle stunts, all kinds of stuff in there. So Sema Ignited is starting up, everybody. It's about 3:45, and as you can see, everybody is starting their engines and getting ready to pull out. They've got all the cars gated in, doing a couple last donuts over there at the Ford exhibit. And I'm heading over there running before they lock me out of my car because I'm a little bit late. I didn't know what time I'm really supposed to get there, but it turns out we're pulling out at 4, doing some huge parade, driving through the bleachers, and showing off our cars for one last time. So let's get over there as soon as we can before they lock me out from my car. Let's get her started up and get her in the parade. All you can hear out there is the horns going off and engine revs. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I just realized right now when I got in here, all the rules are right behind the tags. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys heard that one. So guys, I just wanted to show you guys something. Optima Batteries was giving out free batteries as a promotion here, and I was about to pick one up, but Ray over at Air Ride Equipment ran into me and told me not to because his GTR wouldn't turn on after he put the battery in. And now I'm sitting here in my car, and it looks like this Beamer right here is having issues turning on because they got Optima right here trying to give them a little bit of support. But it looks like they're getting it working after they jumped the battery. So thank God I didn't go get one of those batteries, or else I would be stranded out here and have all kinds of issues. But doesn't look like that music is stopping anytime soon. They got it blasting out of their truck. But I was just gonna give a quick summary. All in all, first year here at Sema was actually pretty incredible. It was a great experience. It's really tiring being here. Even getting the car here is tiring. Being here is tiring. Why are you recording me? Sorry, my wife was recording me, but all in all, amazing experience. Really tiring to be here, to get here, all of it. Just walking around this entire convention center is really tiring, but definitely want to come back here every year I can. So hopefully we see what the next build is and we can try to get it in. Got a lot of connects this year, so we'll see how many sponsorships we can get. But thank you guys for watching the whole series. I appreciate your guys' support, and hopefully we can make it here again. I have no idea how this order is supposed to be, or if there is any order to get the cars out of here, but I see people leaving, and I'm just gonna fight through this crowd and go for it. I'm not gonna mess my up with that dip. Car won't make it off that dip. There's way too many people here. There's no way I'm gonna be able to get the car out. We got a whole crew out here asking us to rev it, so might as well join with stupidity. This is crazy. I don't know how we're getting out of here. So many people in the way, and they just keep jumping in the way. Supercars out here making noise now. A couple of Huracans, McLarens, Aventadors. They're all behind this giant boat called Supra. What? The boat's called Supra? Is that a real thing? You can just sticker that on there. Look at all those Supercars behind us. Oh, we're moving finally. Let's see if we can make it through this crowd. We got the police out here yelling at us now. And somewhat escorting us out. So crowded. No idea how we're supposed to get out of here easily. Here, take the camera. This is crazy. So many people are walking in our way. We can't even get around them. We have the police here escorting us and we still can't get it out. They're getting yelled at for having people up there in the little ATV or whatever that is. I think that looks like a smart car, to be honest. It looks like they turned it into an off-roading smart car. No idea what it really is. Pretty Mr. Organic himself. Look at those Ferrata wheels. They're not, wow, Ferrata, Forgiatos. So used to having my Ferrata, so. Forgiato wheels, McLaren 17. Another Liberty Walk. Another Liberty Walk. We're never getting out of here, guys. It's already been 25 minutes sitting here from our parking spot to the sidewalk. No progress. They got us paused right here at the tip of the sidewalk. Let the parade begin. Finally got in. This is insane. This is a crazy experience. Can't believe this. Let's make a roar for the audience now. Yes, sir. Let me hear it, M8. Let me hear it. Imagine somebody blows some part of their engine right now. Is that the police after us? Oh, they want me to stop. Let's hear it, okay. Everybody's asking for it, we might as well deliver. Dang, now they got me behind that big beast. Nobody's gonna see me until I finally pull up. You won't see me coming from far away. I gotta put the monster in front of me. Can I go around him? No? Alright, whatever. Whatever. This is a huge crowd. Sema Ignite or Ignited, whatever it is. It's open to the public, so this is way bigger than just the people that were here at Sema. This is still going. We went all the way through the entire Las Vegas Convention Center from South Hall to Central to North, and now we're pulling into the West Hall where Sema Ignited is going to be hosted, and we're barely getting in here after about 5.5 minutes of driving, of cruising. It took about 25 minutes to get out of there. But this is insane. Look at the crowd we got. We got to stand out for them and impress them. Start rolling back a little bit. We're moving, we're moving. The show is beginning. The sirens I've been hearing this whole time are coming from a souped up Jeep or G-Wagon. I can't really tell. It's about 3 or 4 cars. Oh, it's neither. It's a Silverado. The Jeep or G-Wagon's behind him. You see those flashing lights. He's been blowing these sirens the whole time. I've been thinking cops are after me for the noise. Wondering why they're just blowing the sirens at me. We are pulling up to Sema Ignited now, finally. I can see the whole venue from here. I'm kind of nervous, even though I'm just sitting in the car, driving around. It's a lot of people around here, and they're all taking videos, and I don't know what this is going to, but I hope they love the car. A lot of effort and work went into it, so I just hope everybody appreciates it and loves the build. Forgot my dash cam, so I'll leave my phone right there and see how much video it gets. It's eventually gonna fall over. Oh, there you go. You know what? People are stopping with revving and everything, so I think I might stop too, just in case I might get banned. You know, I heard Sema's really strict on their rules. Oh, hold up, never mind, there's the revs. As long as I hear other people revving, I'm still revving, even if I do get banned. But if I'm the only one, then I'm gonna stop. There goes the M8. Guys, give everybody what they want. Shut up. You and your sirens, man. I wish they would let us burn out and everything over here. Well, I guess this is goodbye, Sema. I had an amazing time here for the first year. We will definitely make sure to bring back a car that will stand out in this show next year. For Sema itself and for Sema Ignited, because there is a huge crowd out here. But to all the followers, once again, I said it already in this vlog, thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next year at Sema's Vlog. Truck to propose to her in front of everybody. We're all sitting here mad at him. Why is he stopping the show? There you have it, guys. Sema's not just about cars. It's also a love story. For any of you who watched the video before this, my interview with Gigi, that's her McLaren right there.
That's all. I'm in the building, I'm feeling like, RIP to the neck, RIP